Hey guys, I was just playing around with something and I wanted you guys to check this out. And, well, I'm kind of getting everything all over it, which is kind of weird because you know how I am. I don't like stuff all over everything else. But I was playing with something and I shouldn't have, and now I got it all over. And thankfully, this won't hurt it. But I wanted you guys to check this out because I have been using it. I've been using quite a lot of this. And I've been using it every day on my hair, so it's not making my hair greasy or anything. And I wanted to introduce you guys. This is the newest product from the Go Pure line, Go Pure Naturals. This is their sweet almond oil. I don't know if you guys have ever used it before, but this is a carrier oil. This is one of those oils that you use if you were using tea tree oil or you're using peppermint oil or something else. Or if you wanted to do a perfume oil for yourself that was 100% natural and needed it, you can use it in body lotions, body bars, your soaps, stuff like that. This is a carrier oil. This one is actually really, really nice. It doesn't have that almond peanut-y smell that you normally get with most oils that are like almond or peanut or stuff like that. And this one actually has an expiration date, and it expires 6/20/17. Okay, because it is natural. This is a cold press formula, and this one has vitamin E, vitamin B, as well as, you know, the essential fatty acids. This is from GoPureNaturals.com, and this is their 100% pure and natural premium grade A cold pressed carrier oil, almond oil. Now, I have nothing bad to say about this, and I actually used it. I made a lip balm, and I actually used it and put it in my lip balm, which, let me tell you, it is just amazing. I like the top part. Now, this comes as a regular top, and you have to put this in. It does come with this as well. I like this, but I do like the added benefit of being able to close it, so I'm hoping that they will redo the top so you can actually turn it left or right and those close. And yes, I have some on my hands. I have been putting this on my skin. It is winter, and it is, you know, you go outside, you do see frost on everything, and your skin does get dry. And I don't like dry skin. I have issues with psoriasis, as you guys know, and I try to keep my skin as well oiled as possible, including my hair. I have used it on my hair, and I have had it in my hair overnight, and a little bit goes a long way. You just need like 1 or 2 pumps and just, you know, gradually through your hair, and the next morning it is completely dry. It's not soaking my hair, and it doesn't look like I have actual oil on my hair. And then, of course, in the morning when I wake up, I put it on again and brush my hair out. And after about, I think, 3 or 4 times, I have to wash my hair. But normally with other products, it's not like 3 or 4 times. It's once or twice that you have to do that. So this is a really nice carrier oil, and I use it straight for my hair now instead of mixing the other oils together. I do have my bottle which has the mixture of oils in it, and it does have that in it, which I use now once a week, so I don't have to use it all the time. But this is actually one of those good carrier oils, and yes, I was actually rubbing it into my skin, and as you can see, it doesn't leave a film on my skin. It virtually is basically gone once it's rubbed in. It does take a little bit to rub in. I mean, I have used it on my face to get rid of my makeup, especially because I have makeup that is waterproof and water resistant. This is great to take off false lashes. You can clean up your false lashes with it. It won't hurt it. You could put it in a spray bottle with a little bit of water, mix it up, and spray your wigs with it, and it doesn't leave like a weird film on it. Yeah, this is one of those good actual carrier oils from Go Pure, and I am completely, you know, happy with it. I am going to be repurchasing this. This is a 16 fluid ounce. I'm not sure if they make it any smaller, but at the price that they're charging for 16 fluid ounces, guys, come on now. You know how much carrier oils cost, and you know how much essential oils cost, and between Go Pure, you know, I don't know of any other companies other than the ones that I've done reviews on that have, you know, actual carrier oils that are a decent price that are 100% organic. I'm trying to look for some more for you guys, but right now, the only ones that I've seen are the ones that I've reviewed, and so far, the only almond oil that I like which this is my first almond oil trying it actually, is the Go Pure. And that's because I'm sitting here and I'm playing with it and it's not sticky, okay? There is no sticky residue. There's no oily residue. I wouldn't be able to snap my fingers. You guys know if you have a oil and, you know, it's really, really oily and you can't do anything, you're going to leave fingerprints on everything. This does not do that. A little bit goes a long way. I'd suggest like a half a pump if you're first starting out, especially if you're using it on your face. And I've had dry spots here after I have used, you know, my stuff for my actual psoriasis and getting rid of, you know, acne that just decided to give me a pop-up party. I've been using that along with my light, and I have not had an issue. My psoriasis on my ankle is loving me to death. It's actually clearing up because it's got so much moisture. I don't have to deal with it. I don't actually have to wrap it anymore like you used to. And for a lip balm, the lip balm lasts for a couple of hours when you put it on. So I have no complaints with this oil. I'm actually happy that they actually gave me this to check out, because the first thing I went is, almond oil? It's sweet almond oil. What? How does that work? Now I know. My skin loves it. Like I said, the stuff that works for me, guys, may not work for you, but I have yet to hear anybody that has a problem with the sweet almond oil, unless you have a peanut allergy. Now, I have to tell you, if you have a nut allergy, this might not be for you, especially if you're allergic to peanuts or almonds or stuff like that. You might not want to try a carrier oil that's almond. I would suggest with the Go Pure line to try coconut oil. Those that are not allergic to peanuts and almonds and stuff like that, I would suggest that you check this out. I mean, at the price, who can complain? And, I mean, this cap is really, really nice. I just wish they would, you know, make it so you can turn it left or right to where it'll close instead of having to push down and turn, because then you kind of waste some of the product if you're doing that. But other than that, I mean, this came in, this was not open. This did not fall out all over the place. I mean, it was bubble wrapped and then plastic wrapped and then bubble wrapped again, and then it had paper around it, and it was packaged so good that none of it came out. So I was really impressed with that. That is the 16 fluid ounce of that, of the actual sweet almond oil. If you can see down there, it's the 16 fluid ounces. Like I said, this is one of the first that I've seen that, you know, you can actually have an expiration date on the bottom. I would, however, not suggest, because this is a lightweight oil, and I've done it like twice now, and I didn't like what happened, and I just did it again. You have to be very careful if you tip this over, because it is such a lightweight oil, it does come out of the spout. That's the only thing that I don't like about it. Other than that, I mean, come on, guys. Other than that, you just got to be a little careful with it. Put it someplace where it isn't going to tip over, or where you're not going to drop it. It is in plastic. It's not glass, so if I drop it, you know, I'm going to get a little spillage, but I'm not going to get glass all over. So that's a plus there. I would like the top changed on it, so it doesn't do that when it falls over. I mean, something that you can, you know, close the top and you won't have to worry about it. But in a pump form. Other than that, I would suggest, if you were going to use it with your perfumes, use it with your body butters, use it with your soaps, use it with anything that you want, and that's about it. I will link the Go Pure Natural site down at the bottom. You can also find that on Cleopatra'sChoice.com. I'll also link that at the bottom for you guys, and you might want to check that out. I like it, and as you can see, my hand does not look like, you know, it hasn't been taken care of. It has been taken care of. I mean, the side-by-side, you can tell that I've been using it daily. It's my daily routine and my nightly routine to take off my makeup now. I do use the sweet almond oil. I would suggest, if you can use it, use it. Use a carrier oil. If you can't use that, use coconut oil to take off your makeup. Your skin will love you for it, and I will talk to you again. I will see you guys in the next review. And be good to each other. Love you. Bye.